Hi, this is Kent Lau. Now in this video, I will share with you what is table.last and record.view. So I have this data here and I loaded it as an Excel table, and I'll just give it a name called, maybe I just simply call it data. So once I loaded it, I go to the data tab and I choose from table range. And from here, I will show you how to do the table.last. So first I come to the right hand side cross it, and then the next thing is that if I want to know the last row, I can go to just add a space, add a step. That means this itself, the step itself is a table. So I click on this add step. So now I just call table.last, and when I enter, it will give me this row 1 2 4 5 chili. Now you can see that this is 1 2 3 4, and at the moment it becomes a record because the table.last. If I go here and I just search for my Power Query idea book, I just call it table.last, and let's click another one. So it can return as anything, but for now it's just a record. So, and now from a record, how can I retrieve a certain value from the record? A record is a row in a table. So now we have find something to do with record. So we can find that it could be table but view, it could be return a list of few value in the record. So yeah, let's just try that, right? Record.view. So let's come back to this Power Query. Now we'll just type in record.view list view. Okay, I just type record.view values. Okay, values. So since we know that it's a record, they already give you a list. It turn it into a list. From record, it's now turning into a list. Return a list. See, it return a list. But what if you don't want a list? You want to just extract a certain value from that last row. Say this is the one. So this is a record itself. So if you just want the value in the item, then you call another item, and that is called the record dot something to do with record dot view. I think it's just record dot view values. Let's just try another one. Okay, yes, this is the one. Record dot view. It records. It returns a value of a specific field. So it's only return a value. Yeah? So let's just come back here, and we just type in records dot field. Okay, and that's it. Accept a record, and the field is the field name. So here I want to know the item, and enter, and give me chili. That is exactly what we want. See that? Well, the earliest one is the step. So that is how you use a record field, table.last, record.field list, and I cover more in my Power Query idea book. So the Power Query idea books come together with this with the recorded video, so you can easily reference it. And sometimes you might not want to watch all the video, so that Power Query, because you have already watched the video, so you have a great idea, say, oh yeah, that's the one. So it's a good reference for you, and it is colored, so it's easier to refer. So I hope that this is something that helpful to you in your journey to become a Power Query expert. And thanks for watching. And at the time of recording this video, Malaysia's large amount of a great amount of papers are suffer in the flooding. So, and I myself have involved in the say in this talking about uh, s- distributing food right to the flood victims. So this is just one of them. So we did it on the 19th of December, and but still a lot of works to be done as is now. So what actually we did, we eight of us initiated by the leaders, Benedict. We started on the 19th of December. 18th of December is a downpour on the Saturday night. So the next morning, the leaders, we have been providing food for the homeless for the past few months, and this is just another not another things that we do, okay, and we do it unto the Lord, and uh, yeah, uh, we're gonna help everyone, regardless of races, uh, even the nationality is not our concern because we do it unto the Lord. So we go into that. The Malay called turun padang. So we actually go inside it. We walk on the water when we go there without anything. I mean, without any floating object, without any boat. We realize that we need a boat. When you see the flood is there, yeah. So we go and see that. So after this 19th December, 20th December, we go there again. 21st December, we go there again. On the 20th of December, just a day after this, uh, the water has subsided. It's no more subside, no more. But that time is that there's still no electricity, and then so we just continue to do what is necessary. Yeah. So what I talk about this is that if you're interested to learn this power query, and or if you want to have this power query idea book for 50 ringgit, right? So then uh, connect me, talk to me. So this whole 50 ringgit will be all go into the to buy the food and the water for the needies. And of course, I uh, I will not take a single cent of this. Okay, uh, and I only for this one until the this 31st of December. Okay, so all within this, and I will actually show the how what I can you can actually WhatsApp me because I cannot show the transaction on this social media. People will misuse it. Even our photo is being misused by other third parties, right? Without our permissions. Okay. So yeah, that's the it. Um, so that's why we put in the some wording there right now. So, but just also bear in mind that there are many so-called NGOs are now looking for donations for the flood in the name of donating your flood, but actually they are making tons of money. And I don't know how is it, but God sees it. Yeah, we do this in the name of the Lord, and I don't know what are they doing with it. Yeah, it's sad. People take the opportunity to take the money from the public and put into their pockets. It's very sad. Yeah, but we know that. But we cannot because of that. We don't do what we need to do, what we are called by the Lord to do. Okay, so do it. The God see us through. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you learn how to use table.last and record your film. And this video is also shared on the YouTube. Yeah, special edition. God bless you. God bless Asia. And all the knowledge and skills and talents that I have, I received from Jesus. All glory to Him.